That's the problem. Rust! What we're gonna do, it will be trying to connect the battery temporarily. So initially we had a problem that the window was not rolling down. Try now. That one kind of works. See this one? Clicks, but nothing. Let's try the whole method. The whole method didn't work. Okay, so this is what I was trying to do. Try to swing this back in. Try to do the same thing. That one. And with a bit of luck, right here. Right, somehow I can move this about, I'll say 2 centimeters. I'll be able to remove that one. Bastard.
He is the one.
Si no le ayuda a la fábrica, el camión le da. Tú me daba mi saco y me caí al suelo.
That's the problem. Right there. See that? Now let's go and try to fix it. I'm old school, so you can say whatever you want. I don't like too much to use sandpaper. Plastic, by the way. For the brass, but I'm not gonna use it just yet. Yeah. Use electrical contact. That's another way to, go and spend some more money. Brass with brass. Easy. Copper with brass. Oh look, no sandpaper. Don't use sandpaper. You figure it out anyway. Okay. Look at that. I can assemble all of it. Let's see what happens. Why not? What? This one. Yes! Hell yeah! One fixed. Yes. Go, Web!
Fly! Up, up, and away, Web! Shazam! Go! Go! Go, Web, go!
Not yet. So much easier now. How can I show you what we can see? This is where I'm at. Here. Yes. Yeah, you got it. Right. And yes, I only made this video to show you how easy it is to fix a window regulator. Very simple, because as you know, I bought another door and that regulator on that door is perfect. So this one, it's on me. It's just to show you how easy it is to fix a window regulator. Sometimes all you need is to clean the part and bring it back to where it was originally. Like in this case, no money spent, just devotion and plenty of elbow grease. Power is on. I do not like the sound of that. Thank you. Now on the other side. Look at that. You might need new brushes, but not today. Battery. Like every other car, it needs the power. No. Okay, that's a good sign. It's on now. Oh, that's better. Get that door. Let's find out. Look at that. Press start. Beautiful. Now, the most important is all about the start. Oh! Full power. Bosh. Look at that. amazing. Thank you. Thank you for your support.